Eyewitness News is bringing you tomorrow's headlines today, and this morning we are delving into crime victims' rights here in North Carolina. Cathy Clabby, McClatchy Southeast Investigations editor, is here to explain. Good morning, Cathy. Welcome back to the show. Look, let's start trying to define the terms here. When we talk about the category of a crime victim, who falls under that category, and what are their rights? What are they entitled to?
It's a really big group of people. It's folks who have been even who have experienced even what we'd consider more minor crimes, stalking, verbal threats, but also people who have experienced property crimes, people who have experienced violent crimes. The state estimates there are about 400,000 people in North Carolina a year who fit in the category. 400,000.
400,000?
Yes.
What about victims who feel dissatisfied with their treatment from law enforcement, maybe their treatment by prosecutors? How can they file complaints?
So North Carolina voters passed an amendment almost 6 years ago that gave and expanded victims' rights, and then a law followed. And that law opened the door for folks who are dissatisfied with how prosecutors are treating their rights, and these are rights of notice when there's going to be a hearing, the ability to speak in a court and explain the toll that a crime has had on them. If these things don't happen, then someone can complain to a prosecutor, and then also can seek a court hearing, where a district court judge will bring the prosecutor in or district attorney in and the person who feels dissatisfied and let them argue on what should happen.
So then also, as part of this reporting, you all looked into some cases of people who have felt let down by the system. What did you find?
So this is reporting by Virginia Bridges, who's our criminal justice reporter, and she found several people in Durham who in recent years have been dissatisfied. It ranges from a case where a woman who had survived a rape several years ago learned that someone was going to be released from prison after the process had started, after the fact. There was actually another way that you can complain. She went to the North Carolina bar, and the bar took some disciplinary action. But also people have complained about not being able to give victim statements, not being notified about hearings that they feel that they should be at.
Cathy Clabby, it sounds super interesting. We will all be reading it. Thank you again for joining us. You all can read more on crime victims' rights on the News and Observer website and in Sunday's paper. Cathy, thanks.